Hello, I am Sandhya Rani from Department of Child Health Nursing, Faculty of Nursing, Rama University. Today let's see what is kangaroo mother care. So, kangaroo mother care is a care which is provided to the low birth infants, and it's also a low cost effective approach to treat the child, to treat the infants, especially who are weighing less than the preferred weight, that is 2000 grams. So, the definition is kangaroo mother care is a special way of caring the low birth weight infants which helps the infants to gain the weight and also maintains the temperature, and which helps in also the breastfeeding and the bonding between the mother and the infant. Let's see the components of the kangaroo mother care. Components are mainly two types. The first one is skin to skin contact and breastfeeding. In the skin to skin contact, the mother and baby will be in a skin to skin contact. So, the baby infant is placed between the two breasts of the mother so that the skin to skin contact will be more effective. And the second one is the breastfeeding. Through the skin to skin contact, the lactation will be promoted and the breastfeeding will be in a good effective manner. And next, the prerequisites of the kangaroo mother care. So, the prerequisites of kangaroo mother care, the first one is support to the mother and the second one is post discharge follow up. In the support to mother, the family members and also the community and the staff who are in the working in the hospitals, that is the health personnel, should support the mother to provide the kangaroo mother care. And the next one, that is post discharge follow up. So, the mother should have the post discharge follow ups for the effective kangaroo mother care and also to clear all the doubts that are having to the mother. And next we will see the benefits of kangaroo mother care. So, the first benefit is it helps the infant to gain a weight and mostly helps to the infants who are weighing less than the 2000 grams and helps in hypothermia and also helps of reducing the chances of getting the nosocomial infections, and mainly the benefit is it also initiates all the five senses, that is touch, taste, hearing, olfaction and also the vision. So, these five senses will be initiated while providing the kangaroo mother care. So, through the skin to skin contact, the touch sense will be initiated in the infant, and through while providing the KMC kangaroo mother care, so the eye to eye contact also will be developed. So, the vision sense will be improved, and while getting the breast milk of the mother, the baby smells the odor of the mother. So, the olfactory sense also will be developed. And next we will see the requirements that are we need while providing the kangaroo mother care. So, first thing we should need a bed, adjustable bed and also the reclining chairs and materials like pamphlets, printed materials and video films etc. to show the mother, which are used to educate the mother for providing the kangaroo mother care. And also the clothing is also one important thing in the requirements. And next thing, the eligibility criteria for providing the kangaroo mother care. In the eligibility criteria, there are two things. One is for the baby eligibility and the second one is mother. In the baby eligibility, the baby who is weighing less than the 2000 grams will be selected for providing the kangaroo mother care, and the baby to also to reduce the other chances of getting nosocomial infections and also pneumonia, certain things will be reduced. And the next criteria, mother. So, the mother should be free from any infections or allergies or any skin rashes. in certain things we should avoid providing the kangaroo mother care from the mother. And the second thing is mother should be willing, and also she should get enough education regarding the kangaroo mother care. Next thing, the preparation. The preparation we need for kangaroo mother care is, first one, counseling. So we should counsel the mother, family members, husband, mother-in-law. Yes, everyone should be educated regarding the kangaroo mother care. And the next thing, what are all the things we need to provide kangaroo mother care, like bed, reclining chairs, or if we don't have any adjustable beds, means we can provide the backrest in the bed, and also we can manage with the pillows. So the position will be semi-recumbent position to provide the kangaroo mother care. And next thing, the procedure, kangaroo mother care procedure. So how it will be a kangaroo mother care procedure. So coming to the position in the procedure, the main thing is the kangaroo mother care position. Position we prefer is kangaroo position, like how a child kangaroo holds her baby. In that way, we need to place the infant at the chest region of the mother, or any family member or husband who are providing the kangaroo mother care. So the infant should be between the two breasts of the mother, and also the abdomen of the baby or infant should be at the epigastric region of the mother, and the legs should be flexed in like in a frog position we call. So the baby should be in such a way, so the skin to skin contact will be more effective. And we need to educate the mother and also to the all the family members, and also we should educate the community who helps in supporting the mother while providing the kangaroo mother care. And discharging criteria. So when we can discharge from the kangaroo mother care, yes, the thing is, if a baby is gaining weight 15 to 20 grams per kg per day, and we need to observe whether the weight gain is developing or not, we should check for 3 days. And also the temperature of the baby. The temperature of the baby is maintaining well or not, that too we need to check at the room temperature. And we need to check one thing, that is whether mother can able to manage the kangaroo mother care at home or not. And also we need to educate the mother regarding the monitoring of the child, whether the baby is comfortable or not, whether the baby is having the breast milk or not, and everything we should be educating to the mother. So this is about the kangaroo mother care. The two important components, those are the skin to skin contact and also the breast milk, and prerequisites we need, and also the benefits that are provided during the kangaroo mother care, and the requirements we need, and the eligibility criteria for providing the kangaroo mother care, and the procedure how it will be, and the discharge criteria. This is about the kangaroo mother care.